And let's debunk the gold. So if you look closely, gold is quite bullish. That's nice. What's our nearest target? Our nearest target is that high. Previous month is high. Nice. Weekly. What does weekly say? Oh, weekly. Nice. We had an imbalance like here, which has been respected. Nice. Let's go on to our daily time frame. Our daily time frame shows we are bullish also. As you can tell from the daily candle, quite bullish. And what's our nearest target? Our nearest target is an imbalance like there. So where do we look for opportunities? We look for opportunities around this area. Nice. So let's go down time frame. What's for telling us? For telling us, oh, boys and girls, we're bullish. How? We respected the weekly imbalance right there. You can tell that we just broke the recent high and we broke it with a respective with a disrespect candle, leaving out imbalances. Nice, we have imbalances like there. That's nice. For our shows, we're bullish. And what does 1 hour tells us? 1 hour tells us that, oh boy, we are still bullish. How can we know? Look at the trend. Still bullish, just broke recent highs, recent high right there, leaving out imbalances. That's nice. So we are 8 minutes to 8 a.m. New York time, markets open. What, where do we take our entry? Where do we put our context? So if you look closely on this 1 hour, we are quite bullish. Where can we build our context from? We can build our context and narrative onto the 15 minute, meaning that we want to see imbalances being respected within 15 minutes. For example, this is an imbalance which has been respected, but it's out of our time zone. And our entry will be taken along 1 minute. Let me show you what do I mean. We want to see an imbalance being created along our time, let's say 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. We want to see imbalances being created and being respected. For example, this imbalance has been created, and for it to be respected, we want to see a sharp turn on 1 minute. We look closely on 1 minute, imbalance was created, and a sharp turn. Yeah, we got that sharp turn like here. Here's an imbalance. We would have taken our entry right there, 1 to 2, and right there, right there, 1 to 2, like there. Is that 1 to 2? Like there, 1 to 2, and that should be hit easily. Nice. That's how we want to see within our time zone, meaning that after the market has opened 8 a.m., that's what we're waiting for. See you. Good. Nice. Bye.